In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Google Slides. If you've ever struggled to see small details while editing, or you want to focus your audience's attention during a presentation, mastering zoom in Google Slides makes a big difference. Let's walk through the simplest options you can use right away, along with a few helpful tips to keep everything crisp and readable. Start by opening your presentation in Google Slides. The easiest way to zoom while editing is the Zoom drop-down on the toolbar. Look for the word fit or a percentage like 100% near the top. Click it, then pick a level such as 125%, 150%, or 200%. Fit adjusts the slide to your window so you can see the whole layout, while a specific percentage lets you dial in a closer view for fine editing. For reference, Google officially supports zoom levels from 25% all the way up to 1600%. So you can go from broad overviews to pixel-level checks when needed. If you prefer speed, keyboard shortcuts are the fastest method. On Windows or a Chromebook, press Ctrl and the plus key to zoom in, Ctrl and the minus key to zoom out, and Ctrl and 0 to reset. On a Mac, use Command and the plus key to zoom in, or Command and the minus key to zoom out. If your keyboard requires Shift to access the plus symbol, hold it as usual. These shortcuts are great when you're making quick layout tweaks and don't want to move your mouse. You can also use your mouse wheel for smooth zooming. Hold Control on Windows or Command on a Mac, then scroll your mouse wheel upward to zoom in. This feels natural if you're already scrolling around the canvas and want a little more detail without breaking your flow. Another reliable option is the Zoom tool in the menu. Click View, then Zoom, and choose Zoom In or a specific percentage that matches the detail you need. In some versions, you may also see a magnifying glass icon on the toolbar that does the same thing. This is handy if you like using menus and want consistent, predictable steps. During a presentation, Google Slides doesn't offer advanced live zoom like some desktop apps, but you still have options. You can zoom your browser with Control+ on Windows or Command+ on a Mac, switch to browser full screen for a cleaner look, and create convincing, fake zoom effects with duplicate slides and transitions. Many presenters link slides or use subtle animations to simulate a smooth zoom between topics. Practice a couple of these methods so you can switch seamlessly as you work or present.